How to get Spotify Premium on your phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily purchase Spotify Premium on your phone. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe. Now let's jump right in. First thing first, you'll have to open Spotify and make sure that you are logged into your account. And then from here, you can just tap on your profile icon to see to get the premium. So just tap on settings and privacy. And here, if you don't see premium tab, you will find it on the bottom right corner. So you can browse through the different services and offers that Spotify provides. So if you're an individual, it's gonna cost you, you can try 2 months for free. And here, if you're a student, you can try 1 month for free. So simply tap on any of the plan that you want to purchase. For example, I'm just gonna tap on this one. Here it will open up your in-app browser, but if you are using an iPhone, it won't be available on your iPhone, so you'll have to open it through your browser. Now you can enter your student verification ID here. I'm going to go ahead and continue with the individual one. And here you can continue with Spotify, or you can choose Google Play to add your card. So if I just continue with Spotify, here you'll just have to add your card details, and then you should be able to get the premium. As you can see here, you can continue through PayPal or credit or debit card. So just choose any one of them, enter your card details, and then click on Buy Now, and you're good to go. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.